Alright, to do swipes, I'm gonna get in this position you see here. My right hand is down, and I'm gonna extend my left leg straight out. Now that left leg, I want you to try this right here, what I'm doing. I want you to swing it and jump. The higher the better, because your swipes are gonna look higher and cleaner the higher you jump. So, to start out, my hands, they're just gonna go over like this. And I want you to keep that left leg extended out straight, and you're just gonna go right over it in a circle. So, watch as I jump over that leg. Just keep it straight and jump right over it and land back on your right foot. So, left leg straight, jump over, and land right back on your right foot. My hands are gonna just go over like this. And like I said before, the higher the better when you do the jump. So left leg straight, and you're just gonna jump right over it. So from a different angle, you're gonna go straight over your left leg. And as I do the swipe, you're gonna see I'm gonna keep that leg straight. I'm just gonna go up and jump over it. That's all it is. You're just jumping straight over that leg. Swipe is an easy move. It looks pretty cool, and you can generally learn it pretty quickly. So just go ahead and practice. Let me know what you think in the comments. Peace.